How you doing? I'm Ben Gaffney. Today we're going to make a real simple recipe, making some maple sugar from Connecticut maple syrup. All right, this is a simple recipe. The only ingredient you're going to use is some Connecticut maple syrup. The equipment you're going to need for the recipe: candy thermometer, mixer, and a large sauce pot. Make sure your thermometer goes up to at least 280 degrees. All right, all we're going to do is add the maple syrup to a large sauce pot. Make sure there's lots of room for it to boil. It's going to boil, triple in volume for a while. Put your candy thermometer there. The plan is to bring it up to 260 degrees. Our maple syrup is up to the correct temperature. And now we're going to have our mixer ready. Be very careful, this is extremely hot. Do not get it on your skin. Do not stick your finger in to taste it. As you can see, the sugar is crystallized and it's almost ready. You want to keep mixing it till it stops steaming. All right, our sugar is ready. You can store this in a sealed jar in your cabinet at room temperature indefinitely. Tastes just like maple syrup.